look what happened.
Guess what? I started recording just in time to get that. It was I. We're gonna put on Bookface. We're gonna put on Bookface. I booked your face. That's what I did.
Don't talk to the name. You better not walk in my lane. Don't get it fucked up with the palm in the rain. It's the return of the same. Not a nigga who loaded the rain.